In this video, I'm gonna show you how we made $137.50 in just one day using a brand new money-making app that will pay you $1.20 for every single ad that you watch for absolutely free. If you just watch 10 ads, you will earn $12. And if you watch 20 ads, you'll make about $24. And the list goes on and on. So let's get started. Now, the first thing you wanna do is type the name of this app here, which is surfy.b, and then just click on the first link here, or you can just go to surfy.b/earn. So this is the app that we're going to be using to make money online from watching ads without investing any money. As you can see here, the minimum withdrawal is only 3 cents, and you also receive money in just 24 hours. Now, before you go to register and try this yourself, make sure you first watch the full video, as I will be showing you all the details you will need to know. Otherwise, you're not going to be making any money. Now, before I show you guys these apps, I first try them myself to make sure they are legit, just like this one here. The good thing is that you can either use this on your computer or download their app to your smartphone. As you can see, it says you can earn money from your PC and laptop, add your tablet, or your smartphone. The way you make money is very, very easy. You don't need to have any experience. All you have to do is just register yourself on this website and install their extension. Then after you do that and have the extension on it, it will show you banner ads on websites that you visit. Let me real quick even show you an example of how these ads will look like. As for myself, I already have the extension installed. If I go to youtube.com, for example, you'll see down here that is showing me a banner ad from surfy.b. Let's do another example. So if I just go to Google searching for something, it's showing me again another ad down here. And this is how it works basically. Very simple ad, straightforward. You're gonna have ads that look like this on every website that you visit. The good news is that you don't even have to click on these ads to make money. You will literally get paid for every ad that just popped up. You can also scroll down more to get yourself more familiar with them. And basically what you want to do now first is creating your account. So just scroll to the top of the page and click where it says create an account, and then just fill out this easy information here, a username and email and password, and then hit sign. Once you do that and verify your email, just log into your own account and it's going to take you to this page. Just select this option that says I'm a user, and it's going to then show this question that says, have you ever worked with similar websites? Just select yes, I have experience, and then click thank you right here. This is how your dashboard is going to look like. Now, you can also make money on here by watching videos, and it's not going to be our focus for this video. But if you also want to try it, you can just double click a video and it's going to open in a new tab. Now, all you have to do is to just watch this video for 20 seconds and you make money. Now, let's talk about the most important part, which is how to make money by watching ads. But make sure you guys also like this video and let me know what country you are from in the comments. So the first thing you want to do is go here where it says extension and then install the extension to Google Chrome or one of these other browsers here. Just click on it and it will take us here to Chrome Web Store. As you can see, they already have over 80,000 users and about 1,200 positive reviews. To add the extension, just type add to Chrome and then click on add extension. As you can see, this is congratulations, the extension is installed. By the way, surfy.b is fairly new, and not many people talk about it on YouTube, and you better take advantage of it now before it gets saturated. And after you install this extension, you don't have any more work to do. Now, it's going to show you ads on every website you visit on your browser, and you could also move the ad up or down just by clicking this icon here. If you want to even close the ad, even click the X icon here, and if you stick with me till the end of this video, I will also give you my own special trick that I use to earn $736 in less than a week, which is not bad since I don't have to do any work. Now, you're not going to make tens of thousands of dollars with this, but even if you don't make that much, it's still free money. The great news is that it works worldwide. There is also another way to make money with this extension, and if you just click on the extension icon here, you can see that you can also visit websites on here and make money. Just click where it says start right here, and then all you have to do is just wait a few seconds, about 20 or 30 seconds, and you will get paid for it. Now, they pay much more money for these tasks for people in the US, but if you're not inside the US, then don't worry, I have a solution for you, and I will give you a special trick. What you're gonna need to do is just type in the search bar VPN extension and then click on the first results here. This VPN is also completely free and it's gonna give you an American IP. All we have to do is install it to your computer and click on add, and once you do that, just select USA from here and click here to turn it on and you're good to go. Another way that I also use to make money on this site is using their affiliate program. Just go to referrals right here and click on links and stats and then go to promo banners. And it's going to show you your affiliate link right here. As you can see, you will receive 5.25% commission from your affiliates earnings. And you can just use Facebook, for example, to promote your affiliate links there. There is a lot of groups on Facebook that are related to make money online. And by the way, if you also have your own website and you want to advertise it here to give visitors, you can also do that here by going to adverts and then go to add adverts. And here where it says banner advert is where you can add your website and get traffic. If you go to the reviews on Chrome Web Store, you can see that most reviews are positive. There is what other people are saying about it. And you can see for yourself if it's really worth your time or not. Some people even share how much money they have made. And just the fact that this extension got approved for Chrome Store shows you that it's 100% legitimate and doesn't contain malware or anything like that. Otherwise, it won't be on Chrome Store. Now, just remember that you always have the extension on your browser so that it shows ads on every website that you visit. And like I said, you don't even have to click on these ads to make money. And if you are using more than one browser on your computer, you can also add the extension to all of them so that you can maximize your earnings. But if I would have to rate this myself, I would definitely give it at least 8 or 9 out of 10. I also highly recommend that you guys invite more and more people so you can make more and more passive income. Now, if you want me to show you my withdrawal proof from this website and show you how much money I earn using this method, then help me to get over 1,000 likes on this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.